Kelly from Kelly's Amigurumi. Let's review a pattern for this simple ghost. The pattern consists of 8 rounds, and we will crochet the ghost from the bottom to the top. Here's the pattern for the ghost. We will begin with a foundation chain of 16 stitches. We will then join to the first chain we made to create a foundation ring. Round 1, we will chain 1, then work 16 half double crochets into the foundation ring. Round 2 through 7, we will work 1 half double crochet into each half double crochet around, finishing each round with 16 stitches. Round 8 will finish the ghost pattern. The pattern for round 8 will repeat skip 1 half double crochet into the next stitch until we have 8 half double crochets in round 8. We will finish the ghost pattern by using our yarn needle to close the gap that will remain at the top of our ghost. To follow along with the video, you can gather the following materials: medium weight yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, 2 stitch markers, a yarn needle, and 2mm safety eyes. We'll begin the pattern with a slip knot. And create a foundation ring of 16 chains. Once we have the slip knot on our hook, let's chain 16. Once you've chained 16, we'll form the foundation ring by slip stitching into your first chain. Insert your hook into the first chain you made, yarn over, pull through all loops. Round 1. Round 1 begins with a chain 1. Once you yarned over and pull up a loop, let's place a stitch marker in our chain 1. The stitch marker will show us where we begin the round and how many rounds we've completed. We'll then work 16 half double crochets into the foundation ring. To work half double crochets into the foundation ring, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops. 1 half double crochet made. Again, to half double crochet into the foundation ring, yarn over, insert your hook into the foundation ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops. 2 half double crochets made in the foundation ring. I'll show one more time. Half double crochet into the foundation ring, yarn over, insert your hook into the foundation ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops. Continue until you have 16 half double crochets into the foundation ring. At the end of round 1, you may need to adjust your stitches, sliding them to fill the gap between the end of round 1 and the start of round 1. Rounds 2 through 7, we will half double crochet in each half double crochet around, with no special stitch to join the rounds. To half double crochet into the first half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch of the round, going through the front and back loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through all loops. Once you've created your first half double crochet, mark your stitch so you can tell when you're back at the beginning of the next round. And continue working half double crochets in each half double crochet around by yarning over, inserting your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops. Again, half double crochet in the next half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through all loops. You can pause the video while you work rounds 2 through 7. For round 8, the stitch marker will mark the first stitch that you will skip. The pattern for round 8, you'll skip 1, half double crochet into the next stitch. Once you worked your first half double crochet, you can again remove the stitch marker and place it into your first stitch of the round. Continue with round 8 around. Skip 1 stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat the pattern. Skip 1, half double crochet into the next stitch. Continuing until you have 8 stitches in the round. Once you worked your final stitch of round 8, you can remove the stitch markers. You can finish crocheting by fastening off. Let's insert our hook into the first stitch of the round, yarn over, pull through all loops. We can then cut our working end and pull our tail through. We'll then finish our ghost by fastening together the top of round 8. You can find a yarn needle and thread it, and we are going to weave our needle along the top of the stitches of round 8. Once we've gotten back to the beginning, we can pull the yarn tight to close the gap at the top of our ghost. We can use our finger to help shape the ghost, and once we've eliminated the hole at the top of the ghost, we can weave our yarn needle along the side of the ghost to help hide the tail. Once we've hidden the tail, we can put our yarn needle inside the ghost Cut the tail so we can't see it. We can add safety eyes to the ghost as a finishing touch. I've attached my eyes to the top of round 6 with 3 stitches in between. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of the ghost pattern and if you have any questions or comments below.